When you unpack your Dreambaby gate, you'll notice a gap at the door opening. Now, this is normal with pressure-mounted gates, and the gap will disappear when it is correctly installed. To begin, measure the position for the wall fixings on the wall surface. Insert the tension knobs into the holes on the four corners of the gate. Fasten the mounting cups to the wall with screws. The mounting cups must be screwed into place. Place the gate into position and tighten the tension knobs by turning them clockwise at the same time. Start with the lower ones, then do the top until the latch is secure. Make sure the knobs stay equal distance from the wall on both sides. To open, slide the button and lift the door. The gate opens both ways and also features a convenient Smart Stay Open feature on both sides, making it easy to walk through, which is great to use when carrying in the groceries. And now, with the auto close feature, the gate will automatically close from any angle once properly installed. If you see red on the EZY-Check indicator, that means the gate is not properly closed. This is a great addition to help child-proof your home. To install extensions, remove the screw adjusters from the gate on the side you wish to place an extension. Be sure to refer to the directions for which specific extension to use and how to properly install it.